Alright guys, so we are out here, the Obed, where we found the copperhead with the girls last time. We got Blakely, got Carrie down there, and we're doing a little competition today. So I got Connor, I got Bo with me too, where we're doing a point system on who can find the most snakes, girls against guys. This is how we're kind of starting out right now. So put it in the comments, guys, who do you think is going to win? The guys or the girls? Look at that. Nice little northern water snake and a queen. That's about a lot of what we're going to be finding today.
Okay. If I need to, I'll probably put it down.
It's pretty.
In my note.
3-0.
Yeah, non-venomous or 3.
Oh, I thought you were still counting that stupid turtle.
Hey, that turtle was awesome, and if you would have been there, you would have liked it too.
Well, yeah, because then we've been tied.
We're not counting anything that happened before we got here, so we're at 3. But if you find a rattlesnake, we'll probably let you have 10 on that.
Yeah, that's true.
I should have 100 on that, considering how long I've been hunting for one of those things.
Well, you know,
How long have you been hunting?
Sensitive about the camera.
There it is. Oh, so pretty.
There's some silk places on here.
Oh yeah. I'd say there's quite a few more around here. We'll go back. They're still gonna be there. Nobody's gonna take them.
He is not happy.
I've got it. I'm just not gonna do nothing.
Daddy wrapped it
There you
around
go.
me. Don't get the head too close.
If it's not.
I need you to kind of put
Look at
it in
her.
front of something solid.
Look at her.
Which one did you find?
This northern hadn't even bit me. Well, one time it did.
Well,
You need it in front of something solid?
I do. It's just hard with that patterned shirt of yours.
Can I hold
The line is kind of off.
Well, what do we need to do? It's just, they don't show up in front of this tree somehow. You want to put them in front of the water, or?
Can I hold one that doesn't bite?
In just a minute, okay? This northern's actually not biting at all. You want on the back of Blakely's shirt?
There we go. Trying to see if she'll strike it.
Well, she's moving. She might. So
Which one can I hold first?
you can probably hold this. Either one, really. Which one do you want to hold?
Okay, can you put that one like in front of your
Which one won't bite me, Mom?
Well, they're probably gonna both bite you equally, but they neither one hurt. Huh?
Fast.
Yeah, this one's way more chill than that queen was.
Jordan's gonna be so happy. Is this bone though?
Yeah, probably. Looks like it. Smell. Atta girl. You want to release it?
Not yet.
Hold this one, baby. God, Jordan's gonna be pissed. Chill. Shh.
I saw its little head poked out.
Yeah, I felt that one.
We'll go this one. Be quiet, Snake, and be still. It looks like
Look, he's just waiting for the next track.
it looks like the other one, like the one that we just found.
Yeah, but this is no.
No,
Do you-
no, it
Oh
looks
yes,
like
that you
it.
did hold. Yes, that you
It
did
looks
hold.
like it.
Yep, it's the same one.
But
The same
it-
kind.
But it's just bigger.
Yes, this is.
It bited your hairband.
Yeah, it did.
Did that hurt?
No, not really. The first bite hurt a little bit.
Hey, don't get it too close.
Nice.
please.
There.
Is that funny? You see him look creeping up, trying to bite me the next time? 9 to 9.
9-9.
Mommy, let me hold the one that doesn't bite.
Okay, hold on. Let them get their pictures, okay?
May scoot to the left slightly.
Oh, they're like me.
They are.
Oh, that camera's right there. Just perfect.
Can I hold the queen snake?
This isn't a queen. They're both northerns.
Can I hold the tiny one?
Yeah.
Jordan is nearly going to be happy with us. He really shouldn't have.
God, he really shouldn't have been the one to do that, huh?
Mommy,
I'm on camera, so that's all that matters.
Yep.
Let's see.
let me hold the tiny one. I know. Please.
It's getting.
So 3 northerns and a queen since he's been gone?
Yep.
I still see mine. I found a bone. I found a bone, Mama.
Yeah. There it goes.
I love that one. If only Carrie would have found it, she would have been redeemed.
And we know how that goes.
Hey. I caught the big northerner that I saw in here.
That's true, that's true.
Look at it, Mary.
See it?
Ew.
Isn't it pretty?
You wanna hold it?
I have to hold that one.
You got it.
Okay, so 12 you all, 9 us.
Left my phone in the
That
truck.
means that you are losing?
A hug.
He's having a little lunch on Blakely's finger.
Hey there, bruh. That's cool.
What's that one?
It's American, or Fowler's toad. The way you tell the difference is that line that's right there.
Careful, our glasses are in there.
The Fowlers, those spots, will be in sync, and the Americans will just be kind of scattered.
Everywhere? Oh, okay. Chewing on you.
Oh man, he's digging in
Literally
too.
just
Boy,
chewing on
he
you.
is going
That
at
was a
it.
champ. Look at it. Watch it. Look. Watch. Look at it.
See? I think he's stuck. I'm gonna have to help him out.
Jeez Louise, you're gonna get another tooth in your hand.
You feel better? You good? You good?
I feel pretty good now.
You get that out of your system there?
Plus, makes it 14 to 10.
What?
No, sorry.
10 what?
16 to 10. Oh
Who's winning?
no. They are.
Man, we totally, the way that Jordan talked about Connor, like we underestimated, but I think Connor is probably the VIP of the state.
I would agree.
He's found the most snakes.
Who came up
today.
with the idea?
Has he? I found green. He's found how many?
4.
I found one.
Okay, can you let go of my hand for a sec? Let go, child. Huh? No, he meant he found one.
Well, K-Dog, you're the
So Connor just found a very nice eastern garter snake that very bitey, but that does put us in the lead. What's the score?
Connor was just so quiet until he got it.
It's
It's 16 to 10.
16 to 10. So there's still hope for the girls, but it's not looking like it's the best. But this little dude is just absolutely gorgeous. Super fiery. I think he's done biting. I hope he's done biting. You done? Nope. Alright. Good. He's kind of in freak out mode. He is adorable. We're breathing hard. I don't want to stress him out too much. He is a little cutie.
Say, what's that make, 8 or 9?
I don't know.
For the day?
Found the copperhead with the girls last time. We got Carrie, well, that's not Carrie, Blakely, yeah. Right, exactly. The most snakes, girls against guys. And right now, we are in the lead. 9 to 12. Actually, it's the intro, so I don't need to say that. I just realized that. I can edit that out.
Edit that out.
No, it's fine. You just agree with what I said.
Always fucking video.
Damn it, Blakely. Think you'd learn.